Dive into the spicy rigatoni recipe that's both fiery and oh so creamy. Let's start by dicing a medium-sized onion. Next, mince as much garlic as your heart desires. Now in a skillet, brown some spicy Italian sausage, add in your onion, spices, and garlic. Let those mouth-watering aromas fill your kitchen. Add in the tomato paste and let cook for a few minutes. At this point you should add your rigatoni to boiling water. Cook 2 minutes less from the package directions. Next, add butter and vodka. Let the alcohol burn off from the vodka for a few minutes while cooking. Time to introduce heavy cream. Watch as it transforms our sauce into a velvety perfection. Go ahead and add a ladle of pasta water to your sauce along with Parmigiano Reggiano. Keep about 2 cups of pasta water to the side. Toss your al dente rigatoni with your sauce and half a cup of pasta water at a time until the sauce is creamy. Serve hot and garnish with more cheese and chopped parsley if you desire. And there you have it, a spicy rigatoni that's bold and vibrant as it is delicious. And that's why you should